Right now, I am going to put the Bissell Green Machine to work on these stains here. I've got 5 different stains. I've got ketchup, mustard, jelly, coffee, and soda. Now, these have been sitting for over 24 hours. I did pour the items onto the carpet and I actually rubbed it in so it is well soiled and it has had time to pretty much dry and really cake into the carpet. So I've got the Bissell Green Machine. I've showed you how to use this machine and gone over putting it together and getting started. I'll link to a video there, but this is a review video to see how well this does. The carpet cleaner I'm using today is the Bissell Spot and Stain. Let's jump right in. First thing I always do with any stain is pre-treat it. So first, I've just got some hot water here and my gloves and towels, and I'm just going to simply work at the stain first before we get the machine going. So I'm going to go over all of the stains here and spots and start working on them. So that was after my first round of pre-treatment, just a wet towel, hot water, gloves here, just dabbing up and scrubbing a little bit. As you can see, pretty much the coffee and the soda are already gone. And now let's get into these a little bit more. Now we are ready to use the machine. Let's start here with the ketchup. Again, I've already showed you how to use this machine. Now let's actually just put it to work here. Let's get some of the solvent right on there. So there, looks like it came up pretty well here. We gotta let it dry to see if there's any color left over. Now let's get started on the mustard stain here. So there we go. That is how the little green machine did on these stains. There's a little red tint and a little yellow tint here still. The jelly, the coffee, and the soda pop are completely gone. The next thing that I would do on these stains, if I really wanted them out, was actually dilute some of this in water and spray it directly on these stains and let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, then come back, treat it again, continue at it another 2 or 3 times, and that would probably come up a little bit better even. Now, this is a really soiled stain. You know, if I saw a spill of ketchup or mustard on the carpet, I wouldn't rub it in, and then I wouldn't let it sit there for over a day before I cleaned it with this machine. So if you get at it fast enough, it's gonna come up a lot better than that and not leave that. In fact, let's go ahead and test that right now. So I've still got some mustard here. Let's say we get a little mustard spill on the carpet. Let's say we get a little ketchup spill on the carpet, right? Oops, we got a little rowdy there. Now, let's just go ahead and clean it up right away like we would do if we were adults, right? Don't want to let that sit there for that long. Indeed, wouldn't really even need the carpet. So there we go. So we got the mustard up. Now let's go ahead and get the ketchup. All right, now let's get our little green machine going right away before that stain gets in. that is completely gone. So that is kind of just a testament to how fast you get to a stain, how much better it comes out. So again, the faster you can get to a stain, the better. However, these results right here, if it's something that you didn't get to quick enough, I would be very happy with that if that's the best that we could do. But again, I think we can do even better if you let that soak on there a little bit. As for these stains right here, they are completely gone. I don't see anything there, no remnants of that whatsoever. And there you go. That is the Bissell little green machine. It works really well on stains. I love it around the house, and it works really well. Highly recommended. So if you like DIY around the house stuff, please feel free to like and subscribe. Again, my name is Drew. I'll see you in the next one.